Google Gemini presentation. Welcome to our presentation on Google Gemini, the next generation artificial intelligence developed by Google. This powerful AI tool is designed to empower businesses by providing advanced, AI-powered advertising solutions that drive growth and innovation. What is Google Gemini? Google Gemini is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool created by Google. It represents the next step in AI evolution, being more versatile and powerful than its predecessor, Bard. Gemini is a multimodal model, capable of understanding and generating a wide range of data types, including text, code, images, and videos. Its mission is to assist people, inspire innovation, promote economic progress, and tackle global challenges, all while upholding responsible development and collaborative progress. Google Gemini as an AI-powered advertising platform. One of the key applications of Google Gemini is as an AI-powered advertising platform. It helps businesses improve their online marketing efforts by analyzing user data and behavior to generate personalized insights and recommendations. Gemini creates targeted ads, tracks campaign performance, and helps optimize ad spend to ensure businesses reach their intended audience efficiently. Purpose and functionality. Gemini uses advanced algorithms to design highly personalized business advertisements. By analyzing data sources such as user behavior, demographics, and search history, it delivers ads tailored to individual users. This enables businesses to run precise marketing campaigns, avoiding wasted resources. Gemini can also generate engaging content for product launches, special promotions, and other marketing needs to drive audience engagement and conversion. Integration with Google ecosystem. A significant advantage of Google Gemini is its seamless integration with Google's ecosystem. It works smoothly with Google Ads services and Google Analytics, providing a comprehensive solution for digital marketing strategies. This integration helps businesses generate leads, optimize their websites, and run more effective advertising campaigns, all in one place. Business growth applications. Google Gemini supports business growth in multiple ways. It helps generate leads and sales by identifying and qualifying potential customers based on their behavior and demographics. Gemini automates lead nurturing through personalized emails and special promotions, helping businesses close deals faster. Additionally, when entering new markets, Gemini can research trends, analyze competitors, and create targeted strategies to reach new audiences. Accessibility and use. Google Gemini is free to use for individuals aged 18 and over with a Google account or a Google Workspace account, provided it is enabled by an administrator. For developers, students, and researchers, Google AI Studio offers free access to Gemini models and the Gemini Developer API. This makes it easy for a wide range of users to build applications and integrate advanced AI capabilities into their projects. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google Gemini represents a major leap forward in artificial intelligence applications for digital marketing. It empowers businesses by combining data-driven insights, advanced ad creation, and seamless integration into the Google ecosystem. With automation and powerful analytics, Gemini simplifies the marketing process, helps businesses reach their target customers, and contributes to global economic and technological progress.